In this video, I will share about my first clinical training experience in the hospital of Delhi. So watch it up to last, and do if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe that and also like my video and share it also. Okay, so yeah guys, I wake up at 4 a.m. early in the morning because I am posted in Delhi's hospital. So that's why I have to travel from Meerut to Delhi because my hometown is Meerut, so it's take a long time to reach out my hospital. So let's go ahead with me and see my daily routine for my postings and trainings. Okay, so yeah, I wake up at 4 a.m. for to make my lunch, breakfast and other morning activities. Okay, it's almost 4 a.m. and I awaken and everyone is sleeping. I am the only one in the house who are awaken because I'm going to ready and dress up and for my postings. Okay, so let's talk after later. So right now I am standing on exactly Metro Plaza of Meerut, or you can say this is my bus stop for to get bus. My bus and as you can see bus is coming, and let's go ahead and talk after later. Okay, yeah, again. So I am right now sitting in a bus. Exactly, I am in Delhi Road, you can see. Okay, so this is the Partapur bypass. Guys, Delhi is approximately far away from Meerut to Delhi, as you all know. Okay, so I have come daily from Meerut to Delhi, and this is so tough for me, but for career, everyone are struggle in their life. Okay, so this is the Dubai, as you can see, and I think I am going to be late today just because for shooting this video. I am almost in Dubai, and as you can see this is the Ghaziabad, and I am in Ghaziabad near Rajnagar extension. After that I am going and near exactly on Mohan Nagar. Okay, and today is my third day of clinical training. Okay, so as you can see, let's see. Okay, yes, so right now my bus dropped me and at Mohan Nagar metro station, and exactly right now I am standing in front of the World Square Mall of Mohan Nagar, as you can see. So yeah, I have to take an auto for to reach in Delhi. So let's go ahead and talk after later. Okay, so yeah, I have to take an auto. So yeah, I am in auto. My hospital in Delhi, situated in Delhi near Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital, road number 69. I am a physiotherapy student, and I am posted for 1 month training in TLM Community Hospital or the Leprosy Hospital. Okay, so today is my third day of clinical training. So yeah, I am standing. I am my hospital coming after few minutes. Okay, yeah, so this is my hospital, and exactly in front of my TLM hospital where I am posted. I travel alone for the first time in Delhi because I'm from local. So it's it's very great experience and an amazing experience for me, and I enjoyed a lot. So this is really a best experience of my life. Let's see this hospital. This is the entry gate. I'm going to enter or main gate, and a lot of patients come here. Mainly the leprosy patients are come here because this hospital mainly builded up for leprosy conditions. But yeah, apart from that, another conditions patients are also come here. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the inner view of this hospital. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of patients coming here for their treatment. Okay, and this is not too big hospital. This is a short hospital, too small hospital, but I had a great, I have achieving a great experience of this hospital, and I'm so happy to hear. Okay, so let's see. This is the lecture hall where our lectures taken up by the HOD sir, and let's see the view of this hospital. So let's see all the view of this hospital. So this is the OPD of physiotherapy. Here a lot of patients come here for their treatment, and here many leprosy patients sitting out in this room, as you can see. Let's take a zoom. This is the OPD of physiotherapy, and a lot of splints are put in here, as you can see. Okay, so this is the occupational therapy room, as you can see, and this is the general OPD. This is the general OPD. This is the washroom, as you can see. Okay, let's begin with us. This is the bracing room, and this is the nursing station where all the nurses are sitting here, as you can see. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the ulcer ward. Ulcer patients came mainly here. As you can see, 2 patients are lie down here. See that? Now we are standing outside of this hospital, as you can see. So let's go on the 3rd floor. Okay. So this is the research lab. This is research lab where diagnoses are performed. We can't go inside because not allowed. As you can see, due to the sensory loss, the ulcers are formed. This post of patients of leprosy, and I am giving the laser treatment for to heal their ulcer through laser modality. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, yeah, and this is my another patient of heel pain. For to increase the blood flow, again I am giving a laser treatment here. As you can see, this is the modality of laser. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So I am standing in front of the operation theatre. I will share only the outside view because I can't go inside. Okay, so let's go ahead. As you can see, this is the OT room, as you can see, and this is the X-ray room, and this is the foot scanning room, and this is the ophthalmologist room or eye department. A lot of patients wait for their appointment. Let's go inside. A lot of patients wait here for their appointment and waiting here. Okay, so this is the counter table. I know you can see the crowd of patients. You will be able to see the crowd of the patients. And guys, as a physio student, I learn a lot right this time. This is not too big hospital, but a nice maintenance and environment I get from here, and I learn here how to make cast, splints, plasters, and learn many techniques and get a good experience from here. This is the dermatologist room. Okay, and this is the dermatologist room, and a lot of patients sitting here, waiting here for different kinds of conditions and different kinds of cases. And this hospital not too big but a small one. And as a student, I learned a lot here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like my video, and you like all the view. And if you are not subscribe my channel, so again I wish you to please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for to stay tuned with us. Okay, so thank you so much. After that, you can see the crowd of the patients. Okay, so I'm going back to my home. I hope you like my content and video also. Okay, so thank you so much guys for to see my video up to last, and I have an amazing experience right now. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm going back to my home, and nice to get my first clinical experience in that hospital, and in TLM hospital. Okay, so thank you so much.